Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the Contractor Sign-ins module, which is the last of the 4 contractor related modules in the system. This module facilitates monitoring and recording of contractors entering and exiting the workplace. It's important to note that records in this module must be related to an existing record in the Contractor Identifications module. Therefore, you must first create a Contractor Identification record before you can then create related Contractor Sign-in records in this module. The Contractor Sign-ins module is accessible via the Contractor Management area in the module navigation menu, and the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled within the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. To the right of the module name are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. Below the module name are the main controls. In this case, the small contractor icon returns to the contractor management homepage, the plus icon allows creation of a new record, and the export icon exports all data from this module in CSV format. Below the main controls are the search and filtering tools that are common to most modules in the system. Entering 3 or more characters into the search field presents any relevant results that can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all results. To clear the search results and return to the full list view, either reselect the module or clear the search text and reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to most modules in the system, although the actual filters vary from module to module. The export icon at the bottom of the search and filtering tools allows an export of the filtered search results in CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area of list control is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list or an extended view of all the records in the list. The up and down arrows to the left and right of the list headings area sorts the records in either ascending or descending order of the contractor name or the date this record was created. When the brief summary of each record is displaying in the list, the actions icon to the right of each record opens the action controls in a pop-up. When the extended details of each record is being displayed in the list view, the action controls are directly accessible within each record. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information when logged into your workplace. The tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which appears when you're logged in on a desktop computer, and the system overview for mobile tutorial that can be found on your system's dedicated YouTube channel. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.